I have two roosters. Mr. Cock, who is my main breeder rooster. He is the main protector. And then Gimpy over here, who thinks he's all big and bad, but really, he really is a gimp. So he just stays because I like him. So they do their job. Roosters are to protect the hens at all costs. So if you are moving too fast throughout the chicken area, you can bet that your roosters are going to nail you for it. Yesterday, I was attempting to get a hen from the yard back over the fence here, and Mr. Cock was standing there, and he actually reached his head through and bit me for fussing up one of his hens. My boys don't come after me a whole heck of a lot. I sit in here, so they're used to me. They know who I am. But whenever I come in the chicken area and I'm moving too fast, they're gonna come after me. So what I have to do is stop, give them a moment to give me that upward side glance, putz around me for about 30 seconds, and then they will move on. It's not rocket science. Rhode Island red roosters are known to be very aggressive roosters, and I would not trade mine for the world. I will add in that my roosters do fight with each other. There are 25 hens here, and right around when spring starts in, they usually get into it. And Gimpy is usually the one that's bloodied. But after they just do it once a year and they figure out their pecking order and which one of them is in charge, they're usually fine. So because I am adding on all those chicks over there, add on to an additional 25 hens total, but I'm pretty sure I have a rooster, which is fine because I wanted to put on another rooster. And I'm pretty sure it is one of the, I'm not sure which, he's either an Isa Brown or, no, he's an egger. He's one of the Starlight eggers. And that's fine because they lay green eggs. So yeah, I'm planning on putting on another rooster and seeing how that goes, because there will be enough hens for all three, and then therefore that would be another pair of eyes protecting my hens. Some of you that have, well, there's the cat trying to get in with the chicks again. Fell for my trap. All this land over here next to me is conservation land. So there are a lot of hawks. I have had bald eagles here. Thankfully, they do not seem to have much interest in my chickens or the neighbors' chickens. But it pays to have roosters around that will send out the alarm if they see a hawk flying over or something else getting too close.